I see them in this environment. They are growing free of charge. No stress. This is pawpaw. Organic combo. This is pawpaw leaf. I'll join it with this now. See the medicinal mint. I'm going to give you the nutritional and health benefit. This is just the catering process. After the catering process, I will give you the medicinal and health benefit. Hello, you are especially welcome to this organic lesson. How to use medicinal mint grass and pawpaw leaf for explosive poultry growth. This particular video, we are combining medicinal mint grass juice and pawpaw leaf juice to get fortified organic solution to boost your poultry, fight diseases, and promote their growth and weight, depending on the breed of poultry bird you are rearing. Because in a world where farmers are seeking safer, more affordable, and organic alternatives to antibiotics, the combination of Mexican mint grass, Coleus albinocus, and pawpaw leaf carica papaya stands out as a powerful natural solution. These two herbs offer exceptional medicinal and nutritional benefits that support rapid growth, boost immunity, and prevent diseases in poultry and livestock without any side effect or synthetic chemicals. What are the medicinal and nutritional combo benefit in poultry and livestock? 1. Mexican mint grass contains essential oil, thymol and cavocrol. All these are essential oils that are very good, and they are natural antibiotics and anti-inflammatory agents that help poultry to grow. They contain flavonoid and phenolic compounds that boost immunity and immune response, and at the same time antioxidant protection. They contain saponins, tannins, and alkaloids that fight infections, promote digestion, and enhance metabolism. Contains vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, iron that strengthens bone and immunity. Pawpaw leaf contains papain enzyme and capain alkaloid, which aid digestion and protect the poultry birds. They also act as protein absorption and kill intestinal worms. Contains flavonoids, tannins, and saponins, which act as antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E, and minerals that stimulates blood production and growth. Contains antioxidants which support disease resistance and gut health. The combo synergy, when you combine it together, mix them together, they form special herb that improve feed conversion ratio, increase appetite, reduce stress, detoxify the liver, and fight common poultry and livestock infections naturally. How to prepare the herbal combo for use? There are different methods. Let me start with method 1. Use fresh juice extract of pawpaw leaf. Get 5 stems of pawpaw leaf. Get about 200 grams of Mexican grass. Wash them thoroughly with clean water. If you care, you can add little salt to wash them. Make sure they are very clean. Then blend them thoroughly, either with blender or you can pound them with mortar. After pounding them both together, add 1 liter of water. Squeeze out all the juice completely and raise it and throw away the trash and keep the juice. Now, you can as well wash them thoroughly, put them inside the pot as you are seeing on this screen. Put them inside this pot and boil them 15 to 30 minutes. Then their juice comes out. They have aromatic smell and aromatic juice. Now, after boiling, allow it to get cold. After cooling, extract the juice. Keep the juice and throw away the trash. Store in a very clean bottle for up to 2 days in a cool place. Now you are using, you can as well blend, spray the both grass on the sun and dry them. After drying them, you grind them into powder with grinding machine. Mix them in their feed and serve to your poultry birds also. All these are different methods you can use. Now, what are the doses? For juice, 10 to 20 ml per liter of drinking water, 3 to 5 days weekly. Powder, add 1 to 2% of the total feed weight, 1 to 2 kg per 100 kg of feed. For livestock, goat, sheep, pigs, and cattle, use the juice 200 to 500 ml per animal per day, depending on the body size and body weight of the animal. For powder, 50 to 100 grams per feed, portion daily. This particular combo can cure a lot of infections and treat a lot of health issues like coccidiosis. They can take care of coccidiosis properly. Worm infestations, both internal and external worms. They can take care of respiratory diseases, CROD, IB, infectious brucei, and Newcastle. They can take care of diarrhea and dysentery. If the two are combined well, they can take care of poor growth and weight loss. They can take care of immune suppression and stress. They can take care of fungal and bacterial infections, appetite loss and slow feed intake, liver toxification and blood deficiencies, common cold, catarrh, and mild Newcastle disease symptoms. Can take care of it properly. Combine this particular 2 plants today and get amazing results. Please, I want to know your view about this particular topic. What do you think about this particular topic? Do you want to try it and see the results? Have you tried it before? Do you know the effect of this particular combo? Let me know on the comment section. Right away, if you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic you have treated, or even the one that was not treated, let me know on the comment. Drop it on the question and I will answer you. Do you have any health issue in your poultry farm? Let me know on the comment section. Where are you watching this video from? Let me know on the comment section also. I will also guide you more. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notification so that anytime an update is released on this particular channel or any other video at all, you get notified by this wonderful app. Also, join us in the community, our channel community membership, where we have many of them there. The wonderful people. They are doing great. They are the ones supporting this channel. They are the reason why I am here teaching. In fact, may God continue to bless all of you in the channel membership and channel group. You will never lose this year. You always make profit in your investment. In as much as you supporting this channel for the work of God to continue, God will always support you in your business. Remain blessed. The next video, I think I will give kudos and call your names out again. Once again, you are doing great. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. It's only 15k for the feed booster and 55k for the Eco Bio Booster liquid. This is a liquid that's doing wonders in poultry. See it, Eco Bio Booster. Wonderful organic probiotic. You can see it, Eco Bio Booster. This is a great revolution in poultry business, where you will not spend any kobo in rearing your poultry from beginning to end. You only make use of this on daily basis. This is their tea yogurt for your poultry and livestock animals. This is their yogurt. Give it to them on daily basis from beginning to end. You can rear a chicken till 8 weeks, 6 weeks, 10 weeks, even parent stock, both layers and broilers, turkey, and every poultry and livestock animal. It includes 4-legged animals, goat, sheep, cattle, pig, and others. Boost their growth, boost their weight, boost their strength and their immunity. No stress, no medication, no synthetic, no veterinary, no expenditure. You continue making profit. This is wonderful product. 5 liters, 55,000 naira only. That's all. How do you order for it? Send me a message on my WhatsApp on the line. You see this number on the screen. Send message to this line. Only message, please. We'll get back to you from that message. We'll give you the candidate where you pay your money and pay for the weighing bill. We send it through all these transporters. They will send it to your location and you get it the next day. Under 24 hours, this is your product. Thank you for watching. We can send to any part of Africa, any part of the world at all. Bye for now.